moni umwende no sugerera wari kia kwegua antwa onariera rire kana mara matubyurukirike mare mega kana mare maejaga mwana kana murutwa kabisa karakega kana kanya karakega za kudoma na ninge kwegua kidomo mbetikiria mare antwa etagwa chogoria boys boarding primary school kana chogoria kukuria kurara ya kureke nandienda kukutonya mwanka na kurotarikana kirabi ya kompyuta urekie uone mtetoya jendelea kontuko na nimbe kagorobaniego na nkwelile kego moli mwende kanda agomagira kirabi ni taiki kagorobaniego na turanturi ukamunu mwende ukonie bore ya kompyuta kamenya utoro wantu kundoye digito umenye tokiuga mtetone jiaria mtetone jiaria mbekile mtetone jia kondukie umenye kila kufualia oyo newe mwalimu wa kompyuta kanororomere kompyuta kiradini geke kana aruto bano kona bari goku bechi atirite ninge bakeruta mawera mara maruta kwa kompyuta kana mitambo era twitaga yandoe jia ngwataniro ya kwaranĩria kana jio kinyanĩria mwalimu ndegwa gomete ainya ureta maybe kana mbwete kwirwa nkiara na wentu eke maru ende gotebwa ya ndo na ka uganjero mwalimu sina nani
Doreen Ramara.
Doreen, you are the teacher in charge of this laboratory.
Yes, I am.
Unajua kabisa mambo ya kompyuta ama hata wewe unafunza?
Yes, I do.
You know.
Yeah.
Na unawafunza walimu au wanafunzi wote?
Yeah, I teach all of them. Yeah.
And what is the syllabus in case to computer?
We do introduction to computers. We do Microsoft Office, and then generally do the computer basics. And if we start them off, so when they go to a bit advanced level, they can be able to use the computers locally.
Yeah. Now you want to tell me you teach computer from an nursery kid to standard level.
Well,
what category do you teach?
Our school starts from class 4 up to class 8. So we teach the class 4 up to class 8 computer. Yes.
So it is just only class 4 to 8?
To 8. That is our school actually is from class 4 to 8. Those are the people that teach the computer. Yeah.
And we have all the knowledge of computer. Everybody has the knowledge of computer.
I think everybody has the knowledge, and you're still trying to impart the knowledge as if you are doing something. Yeah.
So the student, the education student that you are preparing for the candidate, are they in the syllabus or are they taking the exam in computer?
No, they don't do the exam in computer, but once they get to secondary school, included in the syllabus. So we are hoping by the time they get there, they should be adding something that can achieve they can fit in the secondary school that they get into.
Okay.
Yeah.
Is this about all the syllabus in Kenya from the ministry or about you are schooling?
It is our school because the ministry is working on the page to put the syllabus, the computer syllabus into place. But before they start, we decided to have our own. Yes.
The class that you have taught already, at what level is the class? In the advancement of teaching?
In the advancement of teaching computer, they do the computer packages. Yes.
They have all the packages?
All the packages, at least most of them, including the internet. Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
Moni mwende keune kende kare kiego kwera ate mteto ya computer ni ajije kuyungalia bogo tarameta mutirwangara ninge akathomithia nkinya arutwo kuona kiende keunkwera gagitigire nente manyane mwana wa mukanda kinya cukuru ende mondo ninge kwera mteto ino okaora mwalimu wake gutwira jana ino ugutie mwana tekinyetie kanya kana kagita ga kumenya kiria computer ira gwerekyo kana ne ndieta kwa computer kana ninge kumitumira habari ya kwa kuita nani na kuanza kwa sauti kwa kamera zangu
Kwa majina naitwa
mazoezi ya tarakilishi ama kompyuta unayajua?
Naam.
Na nini unaweza fanya? Nini unaweza fanya katika masomo ya kompyuta? Ama umefunzwa nini na mwalimu wako?
I can type can change the principal, can clear out the game that in the computer.
How can you type? Do you type using what? Or do you know all these gadgets or the equipment or the power? How does somebody type? Can I?
The first
Mwoni umwende uweta wa Clinton Kome ni murutwa wa kirathi gya computer kureba ndi ya chogoria boys kuri na ningi niwe ugutuonia buria muntu amemontoraga nintemenya kauga ntito buria montoragwa nuntu nani ntona mwarimu no guku niteto ningerongere guku nintaide bubu ende kadindira nidona gutu Mwoni umwende kaune kokeirwe kanini gachinda nyukwe gukia ni ntimenya ntetojia computer no buria nkone kirudwa nekigeranio ntiomba gufuruka no ciana ino kana arutwa baba kana athomi baba ne baije umeandika nayo bakandika maratachi mara bandika gware tugendaga cyber kana computer no kauga no chabiro maratachi ukadio kauga ndendaga kuthondekera ureke ciana ino ya kubanga bangira jita kula wale kikwego mwalimu wao agitwereta dio na ninge jana jiombene yetwira nejije kuandika nejije kuthaka nkinya mithako na computer na ninge ne baije nkinya gutumira internet terea ninge chungu mukete bainge jiongo kana yana tumankinya mawera mo materutika ne antu bakeimontora kuonera gento kuruni muone umwende kwidina no jana ino yikura nengwete chezero jaida no tunakwenda komenya menya now you can type this is your name. I ask you, how do you type the name? Do you use the same things or kuna mahali unaenda kwingine au Can you type our page? Mwoni umwende ni bukuri. Dari kego kwira mwoni umwende okenda kumenya ntukugia computer yana ino ne kanya kana ino montora gabobu tarambe buru na ningene badomidie na ngira ya utaramu na ningengira ya kidomo kila kiende kanaga onankinya ne ruongerwa ministeri ya kidomo kana wa utara ya kidomo ni burandari gukunde kila bibi ya computer kia Sogori Boarding Primary School kana shukuru ya kurara ya shule ya Sogoria kuyanda byete kuwatanira nabo kone ongi bwa kidomo na ninge kuwatanira nabo bari maromani makira dikia inyanya kana bara benge ni kuruna ninge kigarano kiao kiamu ichome kiao na kana kiamu icho wa kidomo kiao ya kila dikia inyanya kana kila bweta KCP ninge mkwelile nikaba kubanga bangwa nikienda bakaomba ninge gotirimana na karo kana kira baratura kabaruda myaka yonde ya chukuru ya primary ninge mkwelile baba arembera teka bakugeria kabaidi ninge okauriotije mwoni umwende akwira atya niyomboririe mwene kana mumenyi na nikure bande dia Chogoria Boys Boarding Primary School baria bakuga ona gikaretwa ro bakimonto agikarigara na bagukoroka nebo namba kuko nikirathi-inĩ gĩa kompiuta ta mũrĩa ũkwerekeire wale mwerekeire wetu teraige na mũrũku wa mũiteithie tũteraige ninge ona wakĩonera makana ikagita kara twathomaga tũterĩra ta mũhũ twathondekaga TV na kĩberiti no ũmũndĩ warĩthondeka TV ciao na kompiuta ninge mawasiliano kana mĩgwatanĩrie ya rwaria na gũkinyanĩria ĩkethwa ĩrĩ digital na mawegua ndeto nĩ digital kana nĩ maũndũ motaramu wa teknolojia yetu ĩkĩkanĩria ndonto kũngĩ atĩ mwana wa kuma kĩrathi kĩa inya mwanka kĩa inyanya akathoma ndeto cia kompiuta nĩ makana nĩ kĩriga nĩ ũrirũ kĩrĩma kĩa mwĩmbĩ